Hello everyone. Have you ever received a beautiful company letterhead and wondered how to type your document on it in Microsoft Word? Many people simply print the letterhead first and then try to print the text separately, but that often causes alignment problems and wastes paper. Today, I'll show you a professional method to insert a letterhead into MS Word and print your document perfectly on it. Let's get started. First, select all the text in your document by pressing Ctrl+A, and then cut it using Ctrl+X. We'll bring it back later. Now, go to the Layout tab, click Size, and then select More Paper Sizes. In the Page Setup window, make sure your paper size is set to A4. Next, click on the Margins tab. Since most letterheads contain a company logo and information at the top and bottom, we need to create some space for them. Set the top margin to 2.4 inches and the bottom margin to 1.2 inches. Then click OK. Great! Our page is now ready for the letterhead. Next, go to the Insert tab. Click Header and then select Editor. While you're inside the header area, go back to the Insert tab and click Pictures. Select your letterhead image from your computer and insert it into the document. Once the image is inserted, click on it. Now go to the Picture Format tab. Click Wrap Text and choose Behind Text. This is the important step that allows your document text to appear on top of the letterhead image. Now carefully resize and position the letterhead so that it fits perfectly on the page. Take your time here because proper alignment makes your document look professional. Once everything looks good, go back to the header section and click Close Header and Footer. Perfect! Now press Ctrl+V to paste your document text back into the page. And there you have it. Your text is now perfectly placed on the letterhead and ready for printing. To print the document, simply press Ctrl+P and review the print preview before printing. You can also save your document for future use. To save it as a Word file, click Save As and choose Word Document. Or, if you want a professional file that can be shared easily, save it as a PDF. Just click Save As. Enter your file name. Select PDF from the Save as Type drop-down and click Save. That's it. Now you know how professionals create documents on company letterheads using Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial helped you. For more Microsoft Word tips, tricks, and productivity tutorials, don't forget to follow Let's Learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.